the Case-Shiller PE is sitting at around 40, and its historical average for 110 years was about 15. I monitor about probably 25 metrics of valuation. They all tell basically the same story, except for the ones that are, I think, committing fraud, and they'll use, forward-looking hypothetical 2030 earnings. They're just making it up. But when you're given facts from the past and hypotheticals from the future, when you choose the hypothetical in the future, you're already on my shit list, because they say, well, you're supposed to look forward to what's going to happen. I go, but you don't have any data, right? So you kind of got to use the past. And you can wax philosophically about the future, but you don't know anything about it. And the Case-Shiller PE is sitting at around 40, and its historical average for 110 years was about 15. And so, and it climbed up to 40, and during the GFC, it got back to around 15, but only for about 15 minutes. And so we didn't even let it correct all the way in the GFC. It fell from high altitude, but it never plumbed a bottom. It didn't form a good solid, this stuff. The markets were not dirt cheap in 2009. They were not dirt cheap.